How to turn on or off hidden matchmaking delay in Fortnite. So first, you simply need to click on your profile icon here at the top right, then go to settings. Once you're there, go to account and privacy by clicking on this icon at the top. Now scroll down till you go to the gameplay privacy section. And at the bottom of that, you will see the hidden matchmaking delay. So it creates a random small delay during matchmaking and hides matchmaking status, updates to limit repeat in-game harassment. So this basically delays your matchmaking to avoid your recent teammates so that you won't get into another lobby with them again. So you can set it to whatever you want. So let's say I think 20 seconds is good, or 30 seconds, so that if you start your next game, you won't come across that toxic teammate or that teammate that you don't want to team up with. And after 30 seconds, the game will now start, or the matchmaking will now continue as intended. And that's basically it.